week, we put two seemingly mild-mannered colleagues into the arena and let them go at each other, and they become traitors. Unplugged, our gladiators today, Scott Shellady and Alan Nuckman. Okay, round one, dudes, it could get ugly. The topic, social diseases. Here's the question. Twitter, it's up 20% on earnings. Will its post-IPO journey follow Facebook and Groupon?
Well, that's what's interesting here, is that we've had it opened higher, obviously the IPO went lower, and now the question is, does it come back like Facebook? If it does, 110 is the target. They've got 16 million new users, so I have to be a believer.
It's unconscionable that you can even be giving this any airtime. I mean, if you look at the metrics for any one of them, we really need to see some growth here. If your grandmother died with $10 million, you're going to tell everybody out there that you rush out and buy Twitter stock with it?
Twitter is going to go back higher from here.
How do you have a target?
Unchanged.
I got a target. It's zero.
It's unchanged. It's not going to do a Groupon. Groupon has gone nothing but straight down.
Stay away from them. We saw this in
Facebook.
Look, if you were around in 1999, you know what I'm talking about.
Right, here's round two. Reflation Nation. What everyday items that have gone up go higher, or must they come down?
I think ultimately we'll see the head counts re-stabilize as far as hogs go. I think bacon is going to come off, but they can't replicate as quickly. I mean, the cattle can't replicate as quickly as hogs, so that one will stay higher longer. But ultimately, I think both of those do come down after a couple-year replenishment.
I think inflation is not the case. We are going to see reflation. The CRB, the basket of all commodities. We got supply and demand. You know, things get out of whack, things get high, things get low. But in the basket sense, the CRB is at the halfway point of the 2007 high to the 2009. Reflation. Prices are going to come back to where they were. They're going to come back.
How do you reflate your tires?
The market's going to reflate back to where it was.
At the end of the day, we're going to be in a deflationary environment. Mark my words.
So you're not worried about prices going higher?
No, I'm not.
Okay, good.
Round three is a media buy. Just 6 media companies give us 90% of the news. Which do you buy to rule the information universe?
I'll tell you right now, I'm a Fox fan. I know that that's not something that Alan would like.
There's a surprise.
And I'm going to jump out and guess what Alan's going to say. Al Jazeera.
Oh, that hurts. General Electric is a conservative play. It's been trading between 25 and 27, so 29 is the target. That's 25% above where we are now. 25 is the midpoint for the year.
Say it faster. If you say it faster, you sound smarter.
Lean on 25 for GE General Electric. That's the play.
All right, taking notes, taking notes. Now on the bonus round question. We all know who the two richest Americans are, Bill Gates and Warren Buffett. Who are the third and fourth wealthiest?
Carlos Slim.
He's Mexican.
But he probably resides in the United States. I'd have to look and see how many days he spends in America.
Thank God it's not a geography question, because he would have got enough there. Number three would say, I'm not quite sure, because it's going to be somebody that we haven't really heard of. I don't think it's going to be a big name.
It's not Oprah.
Larry Ellison? Come on.
Very good one. That's good.
He owns a Hawaiian island.
Well, the other two are actually the Koch brothers, David and Charles.
Yes.
They split 41.
Imagine that. Money. They need more money. They need more money. Move up that ladder, Kochs.
General, thank you so much. First Business continues after this.